ka National People Party NPP hakalai terik rampang arajar pulai kala plai pai ba ya ka thup kular jongka nak benta ka election MLA arajar pulai hak jelang pai ba hamadan jiri salen Jowai nalor ki nong kersian lai don langru de kertong na nyau tuli kersensi ka rilom jantia ba kan thup yu ba Stephenson Mukhem na amlarem ka kong Santa Mary Shela kertong na sutnga saipung u kertong na Jowai ba wailat miki Shela u kertong na mau koyau u ba haba hun khar u kertong na nartiang u ba singaw bahalang dhar bot u kertong na ralyang konsensi u ba coming one ambon lai don lang hak jelang do konrad ki sangma national president ka NPP ba perston tensong national vice president ki kertong na i Shillong ka Dr. M Amprin Lingdo bat nanon khmai konsensi ka Dr. Jasmine M Lingdo
pat ba kali jantia baik tong dia presiden mentaka ganti nama bagi doso kung kanalawan pagkakapuksyan dahil kani kababantang iyo yakalat kakapuksyan kay mabahang mangino yalang ato kaparti kung baong maskaw hang yalong kaway ladayayang iyayang lang ladayang kemen iya kemen lang nganya to epi kajing sengau belum mentakut ke parti NPP ni cino ya kita di parti baru kita lihat jalan magasi magkabit kita kor yang kita berhak lebih cino hana pakai NPP kaya lambatlah baru kita di parti kita don lagi sistem masyarakat ni komisar konrad nyosyo komibak preston nyosyo mendak bisa mentakor yani upai ba unsa ajis neng hari lonjantia ko pai ba be jotari jantia ni ande hasine thor pai kane ka movement kane tikhi neshu bakhi betrom Ray napo akan fair kaki uma arentare weni kira uramba ujon bani bagi babon ba kira uramba kiba bon ba kira utemen kisah bon jana kiong ko preston ni ai kecing Jowai ke terpang baka parti NPP mentara kenti kan yo ban sensya mawai Milyo pansersyan mawai Nyaw mo ki kandidat Kiba nakaliang jongi kapating lajit Kidei ki rangkan say Kidei kan say Ban yakhir Yakicing jong darajit rijantia perkawai Kom di MC baik Balai pipo Yakali manifesto Hato mga autonomy, papinay mandari, Pyllait yang Meghalaya, Pyllait yang Meghalaya tanah syukur. Katong itay madam mamatang nasray. Kumukul wajib penmiyan eskrap, banmentoy ko eskripor. Renganong pingin mito. Yang kata parti ke bawah nama Kyrwoh kapag hintray kolong bagi dewan sok yang ada problem hapreng ke Meghalaya bakasam nangkam di Kyrwoh gambang yang hana pakai elekshon wailat hande kolong bak KFC na kredit krek kamu di kota KFC ni mekira ko KFC ate Nasopa Kiyong na maway na kinurapa o wala sutay Nakurong bayo Uwang na nagabata purong dyan na penjok na TMC Nadamot ka doon sa dalam lumur ka kongres Usok tayo ng kongres Namtip pleng buhay join party ba ka TMC Kamu di kota Kakular rejongi nagapati ngisa pelat bentai ka manas ko madres ko juni. Aong iya pikaway. Ya apot kasam, hapden ka Meghalaya bakasam, sa kafes ka maar, ngin pendek. Kata kadai, ka mangibok matchong pi, ka rilom chan kia berokaway. People of Jowai should not waste their votes and cast their vote unnecessarily for a party that will not be able to do anything for them in the future. You have to decide. The people of Jowai will have to decide what they want to do. You have seen the performance of Meghalaya. You have seen his commitment, his hard work, his love for the people. He is a person with passion to change Jowai and kynther. He desires to do much more than what he has done in the last 5 years. Jowai is changing. It's moving forward. So many areas which were left behind, Meghalaya has taken those things forward. And I can assure you that as we move towards 2023, and when we form the government again, when the results come out in March 2nd, let me assure you that we will work with Meghalaya to ensure that we take Jowai to greater heights. This assurance we want to give to each and every citizen of Jowai town. There was a point in time when JJM, or water through pipe connection, we only had 4,000 houses in the whole state in the last 50 years or 45 years, where only 4,000 houses in the rural areas were connected through pipe. Today, in a matter of 3 years, close to 3 lakh houses have been connected. We were the worst in the list, and today we are amongst the best performing states in JJM today in the entire country.
Jungi mentala dei kapor ka jingkela kisur ngin pen sawa lawan kapor ka jingkela rilum jungi mentala dei kapor ka jingkela kisur ngin pen sawa lawan kapor ka jingkela